My dear students, good morning. Children, we are discussing lesson number 15, Disaster and Rescue. In our previous session, we discussed about few disasters. We also discussed that disasters are natural problems. Now, in today's session, we will discuss about few accidents. So come on page number 112, come on its story part. Jaipur was a small village. There lived a girl called Tejal. She very much liked to cycle. It was Sunday. Tejal cycled towards the bazaar. While returning, she saw some children playing cricket. She lost her attention and had a minor accident with a truck coming from opposite side. This accident caused a furore in Jodhpur. Tejal had injury in her head. She had to stay in the hospital for 10 days. Now children, come on next page, page number 113. Come on in the blue box. Generally, accidents happen due to the mistake or blunder of a person. In such accidents, one or more people suffer losses. Children, we have already discussed about few accidents which causes because of the mistake or blunder. So children, you have to be very careful. Now come on think and write part of the same page. Now in this part we will discuss about the accident which we have heard, the accident which we have seen, and the accident which we have experienced. Here it is written disaster, but about disaster we have already discussed in page number 112. So now come on the first part, accident about which we have heard. Children, all these parts you should write on your experience. Whatever I am writing, it is based on my personal experience. Now come on the first part, accident about which we have heard. Few years back, one of my uncle was riding on a bicycle. It was night time. A bus was coming from his front side. Because of some reason, bus one headlight was only working. As it was very dark on the road, so my uncle could not see that the incoming vehicle is a bus, as its only one headlight was working. So he had a major accident. Luckily, he got immediate help and his life could be saved. Now children, come on the next one, that is accident we have seen. Few years back, when I was going to Ahmedabad in a private bus, I saw a car was overtaking a truck aside my bus. Because of which it got collided with the truck. But luckily the accident was not a major one. Now come on the third part, that is accident we have experienced. In my childhood, when I was riding a cycle Because of a bump, my cycle got slipped and I fell down. Because of it, my leg got injured and I need to take 1 week bed rest. So children, be careful while riding a bicycle, and also be very careful when you are walking on a road. Now children, come on, fill in the colors part of the same page. Now in this activity, you are supposed to color the accident images with the blue color where the circle is provided and the disaster images with the yellow one. Now in the first one, children, we have already discussed that the disasters are the natural problems. Now come on the first one. Here a girl has injured or cut her hand and blood is coming out. So as it is the accident, so you will color blue in the circle provided. Then the next is the forest fire. It is a natural problem, so here you will color yellow color. And the next one, here the boys are running behind the kite, freely flying kite. Now here in the circle, as it is the accident, you will color blue. Come on the next one. Here you can see a boy slipped down because of the banana peel. So here you will fill the circle with blue as it is the accident. And in the next one, it is the image of flood. It is the natural problem. So here you will fill up yellow color. And in the last one also, it is the image of a storm. This picture also we have already discussed about it. So it is the disaster. It is the picture of a storm. So here you will fill yellow color. Now children, I hope that today's taught portion is very clear to you and you will be very careful when you are walking on the road or when you are using any vehicle. Now children, today's your homework is think and write part of the same page 113 and fill in the colors. If possible, try to write this think and write part on your own personal experiences. Okay, thank you children.